Relations. As it is obvious from its name, it is linking procedure. Are you curious about why do we need relations? Okay, let me give you an example. We are going to build this house. For simplifying this project, let me say it consists of wall, door, window, and ceiling, right? Can I say I want to install the door and window first, then build the wall? Of course not. It is weird. Okay, let me say I want to build the ceiling, then build the wall. No, it is wrong. First, the walls should finish, then we can build the ceiling. So, I can say this project consists of a hierarchical activities. First, the building of wall must finish. Then, we can start to build a ceiling or install the door or window. So, they are linked together. Let's schedule this project in Primavera. I've already inserted WBSs and activities. If you wonder how, just check out our WBS and activity lessons. Please consider, this is the simple project, not the real one. The purpose here is showing the importance of linking activities. I know the durations and inserted, but I don't know the exact date of starting installation of doors or windows. Because after finishing a wall, I can install doors and windows. Also, I don't know when I can start a wall. It also relates to other activities' start and finish dates. This is a schedule, but without links. I'm not linked them. And without linking, I'm gonna schedule the project. Just take a note that I've assigned a default calendar to this project. So now everything is clear. We have prepared a project, then inserted WBSs and activities, the duration, and we assigned a calendar. It is time to schedule. When I press on the schedule icon, and let me say the start date is today, and schedule the project, it means nothing without relations. All start dates are the same, 29th of November. As if it is a bunch of activities in a playground and they are playing unruly and self-willed. This schedule is completely sicked. Later, in updating the project without relations, we will face problems. So, for managing these self-willed activities, we use relations and link them together. I'm gonna link them together, but don't forget relations are in 4 types. For more about relation types, just watch relation types tutorial. Linking activities. Okay, here site mobilization is milestone. I change it to start milestone. Select foundation and in predecessors, press on assign and double-click on site mobilization. Because these activities are linked together hierarchically, that's why I'm not gonna select the activities one by one and press on assign. Instead, I select all activities which are in hierarchical manner with help of Shift from keyboard. Right-click and link activities. They are all linked. Just I need to change the lag and relation type. For lags and relation types, I've talked widely before. Now, it means first we start site mobilization, it is milestone. Then we start foundation. But if we delay in site mobilization, it means we also delay in foundation. By linking, we create a linked line between the activities. And it means we are not going to manage it manually every time. We link the activities, and if we are in delay in one activity, the rest which are linked to this activity will be in delay. I scheduled a project. Now the project is running well and we can rely on it. This is what I call good plan. Now, if I'm asked, why do we need to define relations? I say, I create relations to rule unruly and self-willed activities by changing their position from independent to dependent.